Rain, go away. Yeah.
I know. Well, at least it hasn't been raining everywhere all day, but you were mentioning out in the west suburbs, it's been pretty rainy. Yeah, and it's still raining out in the west suburbs, and it's going to keep raining as we go throughout the next several hours. We have another batch of really heavy rain that's actually going to be moving in later on this evening. Your 12-hour rainfall totals so far today, we've picked up over a ½ inch across portions of the west burbs. You can see that's showing up near Aurora, down into Kendall County, same thing back into LaSalle County. But notice how from looks like the lakefront in Chicago northward down to the south suburbs over into northwest Indiana, most of us have only seen about a trace. So not everywhere has it been all that rainy, but here's what's heading our way later on this evening and then into tomorrow as well. We could still potentially be adding an additional inch, maybe even close to 2 inches in some portions of the west suburbs with some of the heavier downpours that are going to be rolling through tonight. A lot of us are going to end up between an additional ½ inch to an inch of rainfall tonight and early tomorrow. So your radar, here's what things are looking like right now. Fairly steady light rain, but every now and then we're seeing some of those pockets of the yellows, the oranges showing up. But the worst of it right now is stretching from Rockford down toward Princeton, so it's missing us just to the west. But there is more of this further off to our southwest, and that's going to be moving our way again later on this evening. I think after about 9:30, 10 p.m., we're going to start to see those waves of heavy rain moving in. Zooming things in, we have heavier downpours now showing up in central McHenry County. There we go. And then down into DeKalb County as well. But again, it's not quite as heavy as what we're seeing further off to our west. Now, we have heavy rain tonight. We'll have a brief lull in the activity around daybreak tomorrow. So that morning rush, I do expect to be mainly fine for a lot of us. But then from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., we have the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms thanks to a cold front swinging through. So the Storm Prediction Center has us in a marginal risk. That is a level 1 out of 5, meaning isolated severe storms are possible. So futurecast, torrential downpours possible after about 10 p.m. And then that wave moves out of here. Here's that lull I was just mentioning right around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. But as this cold front swings through, we could be seeing some storms firing up right along that frontal boundary. Best chance I do think is further off to our east, but if this materializes in our area tomorrow, then unfortunately all hazards would be possible, even isolated tornadoes. So have ways to get those alerts, especially from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. again tomorrow morning. Your 7-day forecast tomorrow, 57 degrees, storms in the morning. After that we dry out, but it stays very windy. We'll have southwesterly winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Wednesday mid 40s. Thursday for the Sox opener looks great, sunny skies, 51. We'll cloud things back up on Friday, and a couple isolated showers are possible for the Easter weekend. Dawn and Scott.
All right, thanks.